In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to Shopify. Whether you're building a new website or simply relocating your domain, this process is straightforward if you follow along carefully. First, we'll need to log into your Godaddy account. Once you're logged in, head over to your domain management page, where you'll find the list of domains you currently own. Select the domain you want to transfer to Shopify. At this point, the focus will be on preparing your domain for transfer. Ensure that your domain is unlocked. You can do this by checking the domain settings. If it's locked, simply toggle the switch to unlock it. This step is crucial, as a locked domain cannot be transferred to another provider. While still in the domain settings, locate and make note of your domain's authorization code, also known as an EPP code. You'll need this later on for verification purposes. It's a good idea to jot this down somewhere safe. Now, let's switch gears and move over to Shopify. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the online store section. From there, go to the domains page and click on Transfer Domain. Enter your domain name, and Shopify will prompt you to confirm that it should be transferred. This is where the authorization code comes in handy. Enter the EPP code you previously saved, and as you proceed, you'll be asked to review your contact information. It's important to review these details and make sure that everything is accurate. If you want to keep your information private, consider enabling domain privacy at this step. This optional service helps protect your information from being listed in public directories. After everything is updated, the transfer process will be initiated. Shopify will take care of most of the proceedings here, and it's largely a matter of waiting for the transfer to complete. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days depending on various factors, so don't be surprised if it takes some time. During this period, you'll receive emails from both Godaddy and Shopify confirming the transfer request and giving you updates on the status. Simply keep an eye on these notifications for further updates. Once the transfer is complete, log back into Shopify to verify that your domain has been successfully moved. Update any default settings to match your preferences, and you're good to go. Your domain is now pointing to your Shopify store, making your site more robust and professional looking. If you run into any issues during the domain transfer, don't hesitate to reach out to the support teams at either Godaddy or Shopify. They can provide additional assistance and troubleshoot any problems you may encounter. That's all it takes to transfer your domain from Godaddy to Shopify, a seamless way to enhance and streamline your online presence. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website endeavors.